Hey all, Dave here. Today I'm going to be making Jalapeño Bacon Mac and Cheese. To get started, you should get your macaroni noodles cooking. You'll need a 2-quart or larger saucepan, 1 cup of your dry macaroni noodles. Just follow the instructions on the back of your box of noodles. Salt your pasta water and get that started. Once your pasta water is boiling away, add your noodles. Give it a stir so nothing clumps up. Then cook until tender. Give it a stir every minute or so. These look like they're nice and plump and tender, so I'm going to drain these now. Making a good homemade cheese sauce does require a few ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of cheese. Monterey Jack, Colby Jack, a mild cheddar are good options to start with. You want to go with a mild cheese that melts well. Drier, aged, more flavorful cheeses tend not to melt very well and make a poor sauce. I'm going to be using Colby Jack cheese. Yesterday I did do a sauce with just a sharp cheddar, and it actually turned out pretty good. You also need a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, fresh ground black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Beyond the macaroni and the cheese sauce, you'll need to get yourself some bacon and some jalapeno. For the sauce, get yourself a 3-cup or 1-quart saucepan, cutting board and knife to dice up your cheese, something to stir with. To start your cheese sauce, add the following ingredients to a saucepan. 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon yellow mustard, 1 or 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, half a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. Give that a quick mix. You want to make sure all of the cornstarch is mixed up well and there's no dry clumps of cornstarch. Add your 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Now you want to take your block of cheese and dice it. Just going to start with 1 cut down the length to make it thinner. Then I'll do about 3 cuts the other direction. And I'll just dice this now. Just dump your cheese in with the rest of your sauce ingredients. Give your sauce a quick stir to get everything combined, and then we're going to move to the stovetop. Turn your cheese sauce on medium-low or low. If this is the first time you've made a cheese sauce, you might go with low, just to be extra careful. You don't want to get your cheese sauce too hot, otherwise the cheese will kind of curdle and separate, and you'll end up with a grainy cheese sauce. Once it comes together into a nice sauce, you're good to kill the heat and pull it off. Prepare your bacon and jalapeno. Get yourself 5 or 6 slices of bacon and give that a quick dice. Grab about a 1/4 cup of your pickled jalapeno slices. Give those a quick dice as well. There we go. Bring your large saucepan back to the stovetop. Turn your stove on low and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of butter. As your butter's melting, add your bacon and jalapeno. Reserve maybe 1 tablespoon of each just to put on top at the end for presentation. Stir up your jalapeno and bacon. You just want to get these nice and hot. That feels hot to me, so now I'm going to add my macaroni noodles. Stir that to mix everything evenly. When you have everything evenly incorporated like this, it's time to add some of your sauce. Give it a quick stir and add 1 cup of sauce. Stir that up well. That looks good, so I'm just going to pull this off and plate it now. While it's hot and steamy, sprinkle a little bit of cheese. This is just a 4-cheese Mexican blend. Take your reserved jalapeno and bacon and just sprinkle these around. Let's give this a taste. This is good. And the best part is, I have enough cheese sauce for 2 more meals of this. Mac and cheese is always best fresh. I wouldn't take this here and store it in the fridge to reheat later. The macaroni noodles will absorb the moisture in the cheese, and you'll end up with a pretty clumpy block of mac and cheese. It's not great, but if you were to cook up a big batch of macaroni noodles and your cheese sauce, keep those two things separate, heat them up individually, then combine them right before serving, you can create a very good reheatable mac and cheese. Thank you for watching. If you want to see any other variations on mac and cheese, maybe a buffalo chicken, something else, let me know. If you liked this, give this a like and subscribe so you're notified when I do more of these. See ya!